Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I am Mara Villamor, and I am 33 years old. I live in Tabon-Tabon, Leyte, and I am a single mother. I have 2 kids.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
How long did you stay in that employer?
3 years and 4 months.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
No, ma'am.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Taking care of babies, doing cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of salary high, and I want to help my family.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook steamed fish, steamed chicken, stir and fry vegetables.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I will check the first temperature, and I will let to know the mothers of taking care of baby.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I'll teach the good manners, right conduct, and I will teach to read and write.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like it.
What kind of employer are you looking for?
Like and respectful and good.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No,
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am honest and patient, honest and respectful.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hi, ma'am and sir. I hope you give me a chance to work with your family. I will promise I will take care of your family and children, and I will promise I will do my very best, and I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, ma'am and sir.